the Seuss alphabet. Oh, surely the A's and B's just like you. I have a few extra ones too. And A's for apple, as everyone knows. Too bad we don't happen to have some of those. But look out for B, a bodacious blue bubble. And Bumblebee's buzzing won't cause you much trouble. How about the daring young lad on the flying trapeze? Does anyone's name here start with D? Like Data or David or Dingus McGee? E is for everyone under the sun. F is for friends who are all having fun. G is for green, but we'll get to that. H is for what tops that silly old cat. That's right, the hat of the cat. Or maybe just for the old hip, hip, hooray! Yeah, you can do it. Say hip, hip, hooray! Good for you. We could do that all day. I is for icing on top of a cake. And J is for jumping right into a lake. At the noon Magoo Zoo, you'll find King Kerchoo lording it all over K and L too. When you come down the road, did you happen to see a sign for a village called MNOP? O is for opposite. North and south going Zaxes. Stubbornly stopped unbudged in their trackses. P is for perfect. A day at the beach. Q is for quick. Look, that must be a sneetch. Now back to G. Why? For green eggs and green ham. I really like them, I do, Sam I am. R is for roundabout. Now you can see we're heading for Sneech Town with S and a T. Uncle Ob's umbrella is a triple for you. And he just might throw in his underwear too. V is for the visitors here on vacation, here to see us from many great nations. W is for why does this ride have to end? We wish to ride along, so please tell us when.